Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change slide background picture on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. Now from here open any document. Here you can see I already created a slide and there are a picture on this slide. If you want to change this slide picture, at first you have to just select it and then right click on mouse, then click on change picture. Now here you can see four options. This device, from stock images, from online sources, and from icons. And you can choose any option as you want. If I select from stock images, and you can see there are so many images and you can choose any image as you like. Here you can also see categories: skill, leisure, innovation, flower, and so many options. If I select skill from here, and from here you can choose any picture as you like. If you want to set this picture, just select it and then click on insert and it's done. You can see your slide picture has been changed successfully. You can also change your picture design from here. If you scroll down, then you can get more design. If I select it and it's done. And that is how you can change slide background picture on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.